Hello everybody, this is Joy here from SOFIA CNC, and today we're going to be introducing our SOFIA series CNC router machine, which is an automatic tool-changing CNC router machine. So over here, I'm just going to take you through some of the features that come with the machine. This is our 1325 CNC router machine, which is 1,300 by 2,500 millimeters in working area. And it has a Z-axis fitting height of 300 millimeters, of which we can offer you 200 millimeters or 250 millimeters as well, if you prefer. And right here, this is the current spindle head that we're using. This is an all-speed spindle head, which is a 9 kilowatt spindle head, and it is air-cooled as well. This current spindle head operates on a 24,000 RPM spindle speed, and it can also be offered in other kilowatts as well if you prefer. And over here, this is the automatic tool changing system that we have, which is an ISO 30 tool changing system, which comes with 8 tool magazine, but it can also be offered in 4 and 8 options as well. So those are some of the features that can be offered with the machine. Thank you, and looking forward to it. Hello, so I'm just going to introduce some of the features that we have here for our SOFIA series Ultimate ATC machine. So over here we have your creasing knife, which you can use for creating patterns, which will give you a professional touch to your working. And you can utilize this for such materials like cardboard or paper. And over here we have our EOT German oscillating knife. This can be utilized as well to create proficient cutting patterns as well on materials such as your corrugated cardboards and your plastic cardboards as well. And right here we have our CCD camera, our integrated CCD camera, which you can use to precisely locate your materials and utilize it to scan your materials and where you're gonna place your materials. So those are some of the features that also come with the machine, and I hope you've enjoyed this short and intuitive demonstration. Thank you. So we're going to be introducing our vacuum table system. So for our vacuum table system, it consists of a yellow backlight suction clip vacuum table. So as you can see, it is a very clean and very appealing design to the eye, as you can have a look as well. And for the vacuum table, it is controlled by the vacuum pump. So over here we have our 5.5 kilowatt air-cooled vacuum pump system, which can facilitate either one vacuum pump or you can have 2 vacuum pumps. So for the vacuum table system, currently it will be utilizing 1 vacuum pump, which is a 5.5 kilowatt air-cooled vacuum pump. Thank you. That will be the introduction for our vacuum table system. Our SOFIA series ATC machine is built by self-precision engineered components, and we're going to show you right now. Over here we have the Taiwan Hewind square gyro, which is currently using a 25 millimeter, and right below it we have the helical rack of 1.5 millimeters. And over here we have the rotary axis, which is currently using 200 millimeters in diameter with a length of 1,000 millimeters. Although we can also offer you different sizes and lengths according to your requirements as well. And over here, this is a beautiful production that we have produced with this rotary axis. As you can see, with different sizes and different diameter requirements, you can be able to produce such a beautiful sample with your rotary axis 4-axis machine. So those are some of the features and some of the advantages that come with the machine, including your transmission mode, which also comes with a Japan Shimpo 1 and 10, and your rotary axis over here. We hope that you have enjoyed this simple demonstration, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you. For our ATC CNC router machine, which comprises of the 8-tool magazine, the ISO 30 8-tool magazine, it has the advantage of a lateral movement, which can allow you to change spindle heads and spindles within seconds, which will save you much on valuable time for the processing of the machine. So utilizing the 9 kilowatt spindle head, you can be able to laterally move the spindle and the ATC itself, so that you can save yourself on much time on exchange of the automatic tool changes. So those are some of the features that you can benefit from such a machine of the ATC machine. Thank you, and we hope that you have enjoyed such a demonstration. Our SOFIA Series ATC machine comes with a Japan simple reducer. We are currently using a 1x10 reducer system, which is part of our transmission mode, along with the Delta servo motors, which is currently using a 750 watt servo motor system. So those are some of the features that come with the machine for the high precision. Over here we have our SOFIA ATC control panel. And right in front of here, we have the hand wheel control system, which is assisted with the actual PC control system. Let's have a look inside. So over at the top there, we have our Delta 750 watt servo motors, which we have for this machine currently. And right below, we have the Xingdouwei VC207C control system, the multi-dimensional system that we are currently using as well. And right below, we have the HP Mont control system, which is a 11 kilowatt inverter. So this is for controlling the spindle speed and optimizing the performance of the machine. So right there, that is the control panel that is inclusive of the SOFIA Series ATC machine. Thank you for joining us on this demonstration. We hope that you have liked it, and we hope that we'll see you again soon. Thank you and goodbye.